What are you doing, mate? I said I got a crew coming today.
Mate, I don't care what you got going on. I told you I need the toilet every Friday for fishing. Go away, you're scaring them off.
G'day guys, Sam Cotton here. I'm a cartoonist, actor and writer. Welcome. Let me show you around. Do I walk off? This is my study. This is where I create stuff. Everything around here are things that sort of inspire me. And so yeah, I draw, animate, make little clay figures like this guy. Pigs fly. See, he's a pig, he owns the fly. You get it. I made this guy up here in the corner. I actually bought the cockatoo and then I just added little clay hands to him. This is a character, Chippy, that I play in Bluey. And if you watch the episode, on his ute, you'll see the number plate reads Seagull. A little bit of an Easter egg. So thanks to the guys from Bluey for doing that. Seagulls are hard to find. They're looked at as like pests. I love seagulls. You've got the Harry Potter lamp. That'll follow you wherever you go. It's like an illusion. I've also got personalized Vegemite jar. The first one I got stolen from me. What kind of monster steals a personalized Vegemite jar? It's a guy riding a snail, which I think is funny because a snail's going to take ages. Shooting star, a little clay figure I made. So somebody made me this, but it's based on one of my videos from early on. I love that piece. You know, you've got to be careful with your house. If you create in other rooms that you live in, it blurs work with relaxation. So yeah, probably 6-7 hours a day I reckon I'm in here. Drawing, animating, yoga, a lot of yoga. I'm very flexible. People don't know that about me. I'm very, very flexible. Let's move on. All right, guys, this is my lounge room. The dark blue reminds me of the ocean, so I chuck some fish on it. It's almost like you get a slither of the ocean. It's supposed to represent when you go outside, you're jumping into the ocean. It feels weird now that I've said it out loud. In social media, they talk about having a hook. How's that for a hook? Signed by the whole cast, Steven Spielberg. You'll also notice a lot of birds going on. I've got seagulls right here, the carpet, pillows, magpie, ducks. Not to get too deep on everyone, but they've got an otherworldly sort of vibe to them. They feel like they're from somewhere else. There's always some sort of bird drama happening. You know, they're always getting into arguments or trying to steal something, or there's a romance, or they're shitting on something. You know, there's always just something to watch. Especially seagulls, you know, they're always trying to rob people. And that's entertaining to me. This is my dining room and kitchen, koala clock. Should probably point out the giant snail on the table. I drink a lot of coffee, I've got to cut back. I'm shaving years off my life, having 7 coffees a day. I'm just constantly panicked. So Penny Deacon painted this for Archibald and then was gracious enough to give it to me. Should I do the pose?
Not bad, to be honest.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right, guys, here is the main bedroom. When it came to this room, my wife definitely had most of the say. Probably if I put a percentage on it, 95% her. But look, I like pink. Pink's chilled out, relaxing colour. I can't stand it. I want to change it one day. This is the best Lego set. There's a T-Rex in the posture of it running. I've always just been fascinated with dinosaurs. And especially that movie, Jurassic Park, is a banger. Here we go, here's Steve.
How are ya?
What are you doing, mate? I said I got a crew coming today.
Mate, I don't care what you got going on. I told you I need the toilet every Friday for fishing. Go away, you're scaring them off.
This is the outdoor area. Lots of plants. My wife's got a green thumb. I'm not good with them. If it was up to me, they'd all be dead. If you see down here, I've got a little village. And what's great is when the birds come in, it's almost like Godzilla. It's got those vibes. We've got the daisy flowers. My daughter's name is Daisy, so there's a lot of daisies around as well. We've got the bluey gnomes. You've got to have the bluey gnomes, guys. If you haven't picked up them, get on it. Sometimes we have a cup of coffee out here. It's nice to read out here, nice and relaxing. And most of the time, to be honest, I'm out here looking at birds in this tree. We also have a nest. Oh yeah, there's one in there right now. It's like I'm Steve Irwin all of a sudden. Can you see that little spotted dove in there? We don't want to freak them out too much. But yeah, we find eggs in there all the time, so they're getting busy, these two. This is where the magic happens. See, everything that you see in this place means something to me. They all have a story behind them. You come across a lot of houses and they're beautiful, but they lack a little bit of personality. So we tried to go hard with the personality stuff. Guys, you gotta go. You've been here for too long. I've already got one freeloader. Steve, get out of here. Why am I always leaving the scene like this, just walking off?